Can you stop? I'm trying to take a picture and record and you.
Huh?
Hmm?
Since 1985.
Some things down there need to be tied or cut because I've been watching them drag the ground since we bought them car seats in here. Whew. Okay. We're going home. Not them, they've been home. Y'all came to get me.
Hey, my stomach.
Krispy Kreme.
I know. I'm working about a neck on it.
Hi ladies. See my little turtles in the back seat? Yeah. We are headed home. I was discharged today. Woot woot. I'm so excited, even though it's almost nighttime. I'm so excited to be able to go home, lay in my own bed. I'm feeling a lot better than I was feeling yesterday and the day before and the day before that. So yeah, we're not 100%, but we're definitely on the road to recovery. Hold on, y'all know how I get. People walking by my car. Especially now that my babies are in the bag. But anyway, yeah, so hubby and the girls came by and picked me up today. And we're going home. We're actually at the grocery store. I needed him to pick up my prescription. And I also wanted to pick up some soup because I really haven't been having a appetite to eat a lot of cooked foods and stuff. So, yeah. But anyway, just wanted to let you ladies know that, dang, I got my skin peeling. Anyway, I just want to let you ladies know that I'm on my way home, that I'm feeling a whole lot better. Still have a little ways to go. I still have the tube inside of my stomach draining this hematoma out, and I'm fine with that. I'm in much less pain now that this fluid is coming out, and all is well. So I'm definitely on the road to recovery at this point. And I just wanted to thank you all for your continued support and prayers. And once I get settled, I'll be back into the vlogging world. But so far all is well. I wish I could just climb in this back seat, show y'all my little babies right quick. Let me get up. I should get up. Let me get up and stop being lazy since I can move now. Hold on, y'all. I can't move but so fast, so bear with me. And then I don't know if I can turn my phone around. Let me see. I'll figure this out. Bear with me. I'm going to give y'all a sneak peek of the girls. They're in the back seat, sleeping, of course. But hold on a second. All right. That's Miss Skylar. She's knocked out over here. I'm gonna have to go on the other side to show y'all Summer because I can't climb across the seat. Yeah, let me do that. Hey, Mama. And that is little Miss Summer. That's my little bean. Alrighty. Ooh. All right, my chest. All right, ladies. So yes, those are the girls. They're doing great. They had their first pediatrician appointment today. Of course, I didn't make it because I'm just getting discharged at 7, almost 7:30 at night. But my husband took him to the pediatrician appointment. All went well. Summer is at this point 5 pounds. Praise the Lord. My little turtle is gaining weight. And Skylar is 5 pounds 11 ounces. So she's consistently been the bigger twin, even though she's the younger. But they're doing really, really good. So I just wanted to come on and let you ladies know, because I know all of you have been praying for me and leaving comments and reaching out and stuff like that, and I haven't been able to reach back out to everybody, even most of you ladies, because of how I've been feeling. But I'm on the road to recovery, so I'm really, really grateful to be out. I'm grateful to be feeling a lot better. And I just hope that this was my last visit to the hospital for, God knows, I would say forever, but for a long time. Anyway, I'll talk to you ladies soon. God bless you, and thank you so much for your prayers. Talk to you soon.